Okay, so what I'm going to show you today is how to make a really quick and simple breakfast. So this is your overnight oats. The good thing about it, you can make it the night before, ready for your morning. So if you're one of those people that tends to roll out of bed and quickly grab something and run out, absolutely ideal. It's really cheap to do as well, because all it contains is oats, chia and milk and banana. So the first thing that you can see in the jar, I've already added the banana. It's all been mashed up, so there's one banana in there. And what I'm going to add in there is 2 tablespoons of chia seeds. And then I'm going to add 40 grams of your oats. So this is a 1 kilogram bag of oats, and I'm only using 40 grams. So this bag of oats cost me £1.45. So it's really cheap and effective breakfast to make. And the thing that makes it even cheaper is I'm using homemade milk, which is also made from the same oats. So just making sure it's got a good shape, because you can have separation in there. And I'm going to pop in 165 grams of milk. Very good. It still amazes me how you can make milk out of oats. There we go. There's the milk done, and what we're going to do is give that a good stir. The most important thing is to make sure all those chia seeds are mixed up, none of them stuck at the bottom, because if they get stuck you do end up with a clump of chia seeds. It can be a bit chewy, don't taste bad, just a little bit of chewy consistency. There we go. And what we're going to do now, pop the lid on. Oh, I've got loose chia seeds. Pop your lid on and pop that in the fridge. So what I like to do with these in the morning, I like to add some flaxseed, so about a tablespoon of flax seeds, and then I add some fruit on top of that as well. You can use raspberries, strawberries, any kind of fruit that you like. As I say, it's a really quick and easy way to have a breakfast on the run. Thank you very much for watching my video today. Please do subscribe as well. Keep an eye out for other recipes that I've got coming along. And also I've got the recipe for your homemade oat milk, which again is your cheap milk. Really worth watching if you want to try and save some money. If you enjoyed my video today, please do give me a like and also subscribe to my channel. And if it is that you've got any questions or any feedback, please comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you very much.